Hi, my name is Kiana and I'm coming to you today with an unboxing / review from the beautiful cosmetic company Hyde. Hyde is a cosmetic company for ones who love medium full or full coverage that won't clog your pores, is sweat resistant, oil free, leaving you looking and feeling natural with a lightweight flow. Hyde is recommended to get the coverage you need for acne, bags, wrinkles, tattoos, scars, and pigmentation. This makeup is like your second coat of skin. They also have a diagram on their site that shows how your skin will look with other cosmetic makeup versus their own. And don't worry, this makeup is easy to remove. And yes, they have a wide range of colors. So this is not a sponsorship, this is a gift from Hyde. I reached out to them wanting to put their product to the test because they are known for their coverage. And what better way to do that than to have beautifully defined freckles. Let's get to it. So, this is the box that it came in, and this is my foundation medium coverage in vanilla. Look at this bubble wrap. You know y'all, like, they care. They wrap this in bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. I would have just threw this down. I really wouldn't do that. But let's get to this. Hyde. Look at this. Looking all sophisticated. Hyde. In the color vanilla. And right, I didn't even see this because it's underlining. It says underlining because it is under the lining. And I have medium full coverage foundation, and right here it says benefits oil free, undetectable, skin type normal, dry, oily, or combination, coverage medium full, that's what I have. Finish is natural, which means it'll give you a matte finish. So let's get to it. Okay, let's open this up. Vanilla. Ooh, look at that. It's an H. This is so cute. It says vanilla at the bottom. Alright. So let's go ahead and so it's liquid, of course. Let me get my brush. Ooh, look. I don't know if this is my color, baby, but look at that. Okay, hold on. Oh my goodness. This about to cover my eyebrows. Girl, what? This is medium. Medium coverage. Wow. Hyde, y'all really like hiding my identity right now. And my eyebrows. to do with this now. Right. Look at that. Let me try to do my, let me come back with my full face dead. Okay, y'all, I'm back. It took me a while to, do my makeup because I feel like I lost my face. Literally. I didn't know what to, like crease, no, blush, no, I look like a clown. But anyways, so Hide medium full coverage foundation. This is the color Vanilla. I will say that this foundation is very, very breathable. Cons that I have for this product is very breathable. It is true to what it says, medium full coverage, baby, because you'll see. It is a matte finish. It is a matte finish. If you have oily skin, get this. Like, what are you doing? Get this. It's not cakey. It's undetectable very much. Like, it just looks like flawless. It looks like skin. It's a very, very soft. It's sweat resistant because I was in there sweating, baby, trying to what to do. And I'm just gonna tell you, when I was putting the foundation on, y'all saw my eyebrow disappeared. Medium full coverage, and my edges was disappearing and everything too. But I will say the only con is, if you have a boyfriend or somebody or a friend and you like give them a hug, you will see your whole side profile on their shoulder, So just be mindful of that, but that's about the only con. But look at this. Look at that. Undetectable. Ooh, underlining. Hold on, where's that? I can't even see it anymore. Underlining. But yes, this is really beautiful. Easy.